Good morning, children. Open page number 32. We will learn the question answers from the lesson Tansen. Okay, children. Hope you all understood the lesson. Now we will read the question answers. Okay. So answer these questions. Tigers are not always dangerous. Tigers are not always dangerous. Who said this and why? So this is the statement this is the statement in the lesson. Okay. Tigers, tigers. Arernot, not. Always, always. Dangerous, tigers are not always dangerous. Who, said, said. This, this. And whyy question mark. Okay, so tigers are not always dangerous. Who said this and why? So who said this, children? Swami, 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 Swami. Haridas, 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 Swami Haridas. Said, said. Said. This, this. This, this. Tivo, two. Tivo, two. Calm, calm. Calm, calm. His, his. His, his. Fellow, fellow. Fellow, fellow. Travelers, travelers. Travelers, travelers. Who, Ver, About, about. TO, two. FLEE, flee. FLEE, flee. WHEN, when. WHEN, when. THEY, they. THEY, they. HEARD, heard. HEARD, heard. THE, the. THE, the. ROAR, roar. ROAR, roar. OF, a. TIGER, tiger. TIGER, tiger. So tigers are not always dangerous. Who said this and why? So Swami Haridas said this to calm his fellow travelers who were about to flee when they heard the roar of a tiger. So when Swami Haridas told this, what, that tigers are not always dangerous. Why did he say this? When the fellow travelers who were about to flee, they were about to run away when they heard the roar of the tiger. Then Swami Haridas told this to calm his travelers, that tigers are not always dangerous. SWAMI, Swami. HARIDAS, Swami Haridas. SAID, said. SAID, said. THIS, this. THIS, this. TO, two. TO, two. CALM, calm. CALM, calm. HIS, his. FELLOW, fellow. FELLOW, fellow. TRAVELLERS, travelers. WHO, who. WER, ABOUT, about. TO2, FLEE, flee. WHEN, when. THEY, they. HEARD, heard. HEARD, heard. THE, the. ROAR, roar. OF, a. TIGER, tiger. So tigers are not always dangerous. Who said this and why? So Swami Haridas said this to calm his fellow travelers who were about to flee when they heard the roar of a tiger. How old was Tansen when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music? How long did Tansen stay with him? HOW, how? OLD, old. WAS, was. TANSEN, Tansen. WHENT, went. Sorry, when. He, WENT, went. WITH, with. SWAMI, Swami. HARIDAS, Haridas. TO2 LEARN, learn. MUSIC, music, question mark. HOW, how? LONG, long. DID, did. TANSEN, Tansen. STAY, stay. WITH, with. HIM, him. How long was Tansen? How old was Tansen when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music? How long did he stay with him? So, Tansen, 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 WAS, was 10 years, 10, YEARS, years, OLD, old, WHEN, when, he, WENT, went, WITH, with, SWAMI, Swami, HARIDAS, Haridas, TO2 LEARN, learn. MUSIC, Tansen. Tansen was 10 years old when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music. TANSEN, Tansen. WAS, was. 10, YEARS, years, OLD, old, WHEN, when, he, WENT, went, WITH, with, SWAMI, Swami, HARIDAS, Haridas, TO2 LEARN, learn. MUSIC, music. Tansen was 10 years old when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music. TAN, Sen, Tansen. LIVED, lived. LIVED, lived. WITH, with. WITH, with. SWAMI, Swami, HARIDAS, Haridas, FOR, for ELEVEN, 11, ELEVEN, 11, YEARS, years, TO2 LEARN, learn. MUSIC. So, Tansen, TANSEN, Tansen was 10 years old when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music. Tansen lived with Swami Haridas for 11 years to learn music. Okay. TANSEN, Tansen. LIVED, lived. WITH, with. SWAMI, Swami, HARIDAS, Haridas, FOR, for ELEVEN, 11, YEARS, years, TO2 LEARN, learn. MUSIC, music. Okay, so Tansen was 10 years old when he went with Swami Haridas to learn music. Tansen lived with Swami Haridas for 11 years to learn music. Next, what did Shaukat Mian want Tansen to sing? WHAT, what? DID, did. SHAUKAT, Shaukat. MIAN, Mian. WANT want, TANSEN Tansen, TO2 SING. What did Shaukat Mian want Tansen to sing? Shaukat Mian wanted Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. SHAUKAT Shaukat, SHAUKAT Shaukat. MIAN Mian, MIAN Mian, WANTED wanted, WANTED wanted. TANSEN Tansen, TANSEN Tansen. TO2 SING sing, SING sing. RAGA Raga, RAGA Raga. DEEPAK Deepak, DEEPAK. Shaukat Mian wanted Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. SHAUKAT Shaukat. MIAN Mian, WANTED wanted, TANSEN Tansen. TO2 SING sing. RAGA Raga. DEEPAK Deepak. Shaukat Mian wanted Tansen to sing Raga Deepak. Okay children, hope you understood these question answers. Okay, write them neatly. Okay, write the question and also the answer in your class workbooks. Okay children.
Now think and answer. What did it take for Tansen to become a musician in Emperor's Akbar court? Okay, so children, this is think and answer. So I will answer these questions in my point of view. Okay, so now after me explaining to you, you people write what you thought about these questions from the lesson and send a write and send a picture to me. You can write in 2 to 3 lines. Okay children, so first question is, what did it take for Tansen to become a musician in Emperor's Akbar court? So what did it take? Tansen, he went with Swami. Let's see, first I'll explain what is the what answer it is. Okay, so Tansen went with Swami Haridas and there he spent 11 years with him. So in these 11 years he was very he learnt all the music and he was expert in it. He became a great singer. So that is the reason he became a musician in Emperor's Akbar court. Okay, so you can so in my point of view, Tansen spent 11 years to learn music and he became a great singer. So that is why so this made Tansen become a musician in Emperor's Akbar court. So this is my point of view answer. Okay children, so now you have to write what is your point of view in 2 to 3 point sentences and send it to me. Okay. So next question, why were the courtiers jealous of Tansen? So why were, because Tansen is very talented with his music and Akbar used to love him a lot and he used to give often more presents to Tansen. So this made the other courtiers in Akbar's emperor jealous. Okay, Emperor Akbar's court, the other courtiers felt jealous. So what we can write, Tansen is very talented and Akbar used to give him often gifts. Often Akbar used to give him gifts. So that is the reason the other courtiers were jealous of Tansen. Okay children, now write your point of view. So third question, how were Tansen's daughter essential to his plan of singing Raga Deepak without getting hurt? So as we have learned the lesson, so when anyone if anyone sings Raga Deepak, then they will burn into ashes. Why? Because the heat produced when we sing that Raga Deepak, we will burn into ashes. So what did Tansen do? So Tansen taught his daughter and his daughter's friend Ragamegh. So Ragamegh means what? If anyone sings that, due to that it will rain. So that rain could cover the fire caused when Tansen is singing Raga Deepak. So without getting hurt, he can sing this. So what have so in my point of view, so Tansen taught his daughter and her friend Raga Meg, which puts a fire, which rains. So which rains and puts the fire heat off of the which is produced by Raga Deepak. So in this way Tansen would not get any hurt even though if he sing Raga Deepak, because Raga Meg causes rain. Okay, so next, how do we know that Tansen was beloved by both the emperor and the general public? So after singing this, after Tansen singing Raga Deepak, the emperor gave presents, and also due to the heat which is produced by singing Raga Deepak, the health of the Tansen was spoiled. So later when he got recovered, both the emperor and public were happy. So that is the reason we can know that Tansen was beloved by both the emperor and the general public. Okay children, hope you understood all. So these are my point of view questions, answers. So you have to write all the 4 questions answers in your point of view, all the 4 question answers in your point of view, and you should send me a picture. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.